Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is quietly revolutionizing the way we live, work, and even play? In 2025, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's transforming our everyday lives through gadgets that once seemed like science fiction. But what exactly are these devices? How are they changing the world around us? And which AI gadgets should you know about right now? Stay tuned, because today we're counting down the top 5 AI gadgets changing everyday life in 2025. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's at number 1. Number 5, AI Smart Fridge, your personal kitchen assistant. Imagine opening your fridge and it telling you exactly what meals you can make based on what's inside. The latest AI smart fridges, like Samsung's Family Hub 5.0 2025 edition, are doing just that. Equipped with advanced computer vision, these fridges scan and track every item inside. The AI suggests recipes based on expiration dates, your dietary preferences, and even your calorie goals. Forgot to buy milk? The fridge can automatically add it to your online grocery cart or remind you when you're near your favorite supermarket. What makes it life-changing? It cuts down on food waste, saves time, and helps you eat healthier. And with voice assistants fully integrated, you can just say, "What can I cook tonight?" and get an instant answer. It's like having a personal chef and nutritionist living inside your fridge. Number 4, AI Home Robot, the ultimate domestic helper. The rise of affordable AI home robots in 2025 is perhaps the biggest leap forward in home automation since the introduction of the smart speaker. Devices like the Amazon Astro Pro and Aeolus Robotics Assistant 2.0 have evolved from simple delivery bots to sophisticated multitaskers. These AI-powered robots can recognize family members, detect unusual activity, vacuum floors, bring drinks from the kitchen, monitor home security, and even interact with pets. Advanced sensors combined with neural networks allow them to map your home, avoid obstacles, and learn your routines. What's truly impressive is their conversational ability. They don't just follow commands, they proactively offer help. For instance, if you look stressed, your robot might suggest playing your favorite music or brewing coffee. It's like having a caring roommate who always has your back. Number 3, AI glasses. The world through smarter eyes. Remember when smart glasses were just a gimmick? In 2025, AI-powered smart glasses, like Meta's Orion Glasses 2, are practical, stylish, and game-changing. These AR glasses overlay real-time information on what you see. Walking through a foreign city, instantly get translations, directions, and cultural tips. Shopping, see reviews and price comparisons floating next to products. Meeting someone, the glasses can discreetly remind you of their name and last conversation. The most impressive feature, AI scene recognition. If you see a rare plant, landmark, or piece of art, your glasses can instantly identify it and give you detailed info. It's like having Wikipedia, Google Maps, and a personal assistant right on your face. They can also alert you to safety hazards by recognizing things like traffic lights, obstacles, or warning signs. A major help for pedestrians or cyclists. Plus, built-in voice commands let you take pictures or videos hands-free, perfect for travelers or creators on the go. And with new advancements in lightweight micro-displays and on-device AI chips, they're comfortable to wear all day without draining your phone's battery. Number 2, AI Health Monitor. The doctor on your wrist. Healthcare is being transformed by AI health wearables like the Apple Watch X 2025 and Fitbit Sense 3, which now feature AI-powered predictive analytics. These devices don't just track your steps or heart rate. They analyze patterns in your sleep, stress, and vital signs to predict potential health issues before they become emergencies. For example, if the AI detects subtle changes in your heart rhythm combined with your recent stress levels, it can alert you about potential atrial fibrillation risk days in advance, giving you time to consult your doctor. What's more, these gadgets integrate with virtual health services, allowing you to share real-time reports with healthcare providers. Some devices even guide you through breathing exercises when they sense anxiety rising, or adjust recommendations based on your unique health profile. They can also detect patterns indicating dehydration, prompting you to drink water before you start feeling unwell. New features analyze your activity and sleep data to offer personalized advice on optimizing your daily routine for better overall wellness. Some models now include skin temperature sensors and blood oxygen monitors, giving you hospital-grade insights without ever leaving your home. AI-powered reminders can encourage medication adherence, reducing the risk of missed doses for people managing chronic conditions. It's a game changer for early diagnosis, chronic disease management, and giving peace of mind to you and your loved ones. Number 1. AI earbuds, the ultimate productivity booster. Topping our list is the VM Rec. AI earbuds, a revolutionary gadget transforming what earbuds can do in 2025. Unlike ordinary earbuds, the VM Rec. Records conversations, meetings, and lectures in real time, then uses AI to transcribe them, organize speakers, add timestamps, and generate summaries or to-do lists, all from your ears. Imagine ending a meeting and instantly receiving a neat summary of key points and action items. Traveling abroad? These earbuds support real-time translation in over 14 languages, letting you hold conversations smoothly wherever you go. The smart AI also tags who's speaking and highlights important details, so you never miss critical information. With crystal clear audio, powerful active noise cancellation, and up to 9 hours of battery life per charge, they're perfect for both productivity and entertainment. The discreet one-click record button means you can start or stop recordings instantly without reaching for your phone. Whether you're a professional, student, or traveler, the VM Rec. Acts like a personal secretary and interpreter in your ears, keeping you efficient, informed, and connected. Beyond meetings, they're ideal for journalists conducting interviews, students capturing lectures, or creators who need instant notes for their ideas. The AI even learns your speaking patterns over time to improve accuracy and customize summaries. Thanks to their lightweight design, you can comfortably wear them all day without fatigue. They seamlessly switch between devices, letting you jump from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. Most importantly, they show how AI can blend invisibly into everyday tools, quietly enhancing how we communicate, learn, and work. But wait, the future is about to get even crazier, but this is just the beginning. Researchers are working on AI-powered clothing that adapts to your body temperature, smart contact lenses that bring AR straight to your eyes, and even AI kitchen appliances that cook meals from scratch with robotic arms. The question isn't if AI will become part of your daily life, it's how much better it will make it. What do you think about these AI gadgets? Which one would you want in your home first? Or are you worried about how much AI is becoming part of our lives? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in AI, technology, and innovation.